Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Back here with another Trading 212 portfolio update. This is episode 9 of the series. As you may have noticed, that the stock market has been hit quite hard with the coronavirus. A lot of people started selling their equity. Also, a lot of them have been selling their investments in gold, which has also seen a drop, which is usually unusual. And yeah, it has impacted a lot of sectors, pretty much most of them, to be honest. And it's affected pretty much every single stock market in the world. Basically, this video is just going to be talking through how my portfolio has performed over the last week. Also, I'll be mentioning about some of the stocks that I think might be a strong buy, or a hold or a sell. I won't talk about all of them, but just the key ones that I think are worth mentioning. Obviously, these are my own opinions, and you should probably do your own research when you invest. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see here, that the portfolio is now at £3,466.81. I've invested £3,652.48. I'm down £185.67. That's 5.08% that I'm down. If we look at the last week, you can see that it's pretty much just downward stuff. And from here to here, that I've pretty much added more money into it. That's why you've seen a little rise, but it's not purely down to returns. AMD, as you may have noticed, in the last week, AMD was actually like a really high. It was around $58, or even just before the week, and it hit a low of around $44. So I'd probably say this is kind of a buy, not a strong buy, but probably a buy or a hold. I do think like once the China gets back to production, back to normal, that AMD should shoot up again. Airbus, for me personally, I think Airbus is probably a buy right now. My returns at the moment, I'm down 7.66%. That's £2.32. I'll be looking to increase my position in this. I'll probably buy another tenth of a share, just increase it slowly. I do think it's a great buy. When you come to think of it, like the commercial airline industry is pretty much just a duopoly between Airbus and Boeing. So yeah, so I think that's probably going to be quite a good stock. And if we look at it, like the last 3 months, it hit almost almost $140. So sorry, €140. So I think that's probably a good one. With Alibaba, I probably think it's probably still a strong buy at $207. As you can see here, that I have 1.31 shares. My return at the moment is I'm down 0.58%. That's £1.24 in the red. So I do want to increase my position in this, but I'm probably just going to hold for now. Alphabet Inc., which is pretty much Google and all the other businesses that Alphabet owns. I do think this is probably a strong buy, considering it did reach $1,500. So I'd probably say it's a strong buy. Amex, I do think this is a strong buy. They will bounce back. I want to increase my position in that. BAE Systems is still a strong share. I'm up 11.64%. Barrett's is still up. I'm up 28.2%. That's £13.39. Boeing, I'd probably say Boeing is probably now a strong buy. Obviously, they've still got issues with the 737 MAX, and stuff like that. So also with the coronavirus impacting like overall sales and travel and stuff like that. So I'm thinking this is a strong buy for me. I do want to increase the position in this, so I have to have a look at see how much I can put together to buy a fraction of a share or something like that. BP I think is a strong buy right now. It is at £3.94p. My average price is at £4.55p. So I do think this is a strong buy. If we look at the last month, it was around £4.80. So I do think this will hit around £5 at some point. British land for me is a hold. I'm down 11.06%. That's £21.83p. I've got 35 shares in it. BT, I'm going to say it's a hold right now. I've got 130 shares in it. My return at the moment is down £37.09p. That's 16.8% down. Cisco is a stock that I'm looking to sell at the moment. I want to sell this just purely because I want to invest the money somewhere else. At the moment, it's down 15.34%. I'm down £1.69p. So I'm going to leave it for now until it goes back in the green, and I'm probably just going to sell it. Cloudflare is probably one of my best performing stocks in the week. It is up 1.05%. That's 0.22%. 0.22 cents. I've got 17 shares. I have reduced it from 19 to 17. I'm up £39.93p. That's 16.53% up. So at the moment, it is one of my best performing stocks this week. Direct Line is been going down gradually. I'm still up 12.25%. That's £33.37p. So I'm pretty happy with that. Drax Group is a hold at the moment. I'm down 1.14%. That's 47p. DS Smith is probably a buy at the moment. I'm down 9.26%. That's £6.71p. GlaxoSmithKline, I'd probably say is a strong buy at the moment. I'm down 5.73%. That's 0.76p. Greenco is probably a hold for me. Hastings Direct, I'd say it's a hold. I've increased it from 95 to 100. I'm down 6.84%. That's £11.85p. I'm in the red. HSBC, I'd say is a strong buy. It's down 6.53%. That's £7.27p. iShares physical gold has gone down slightly. It's only up 7.79%. That's £1.76. Lloyd's Banking Group is pretty much a hold for me right now. I do have quite a lot of shares in them. I've got 445. I'm down 10%, and I'm down 24.48. Lyft, I'd probably say is a buy. I do want to increase it by a tenth anyway. I'm down 11.41%. That's £3.06p. MasterCard is probably a buy right now. Micron is probably a buy for me. Microsoft, again, is probably a buy / hold. I do want to increase the position in it, but we'll have to see. New River REIT is a hold for me. It has dropped massively. It's now at £1.56p. I'm down 17.08%. I might increase it by like another 5 just to bring the average cost down a little bit. But in terms of adding to it, I probably won't. To be fair, with New River REIT, I do want to like reduce my position in it. So when it hits around £2, £2.10, I do want to sell a part of it anyway. Plymouth REIT is doing really well. I probably will increase my position in this if it hits around $18.30. Royal Bank of Scotland is down quite a bit. It's down 12.64%. I'm down £16.23p. Royal Dutch Shell, I'd probably say is a strong buy at the moment. I'm down 7%. That's £3.78p. I think they're roughly around 8 to 9% dividend yield. So I think Royal Dutch Shell is probably a buy for me. Siemens, I do want to increase my position because it has dropped a lot. It's dropped 17.94%. So I do think it's worth me increasing my position in this. I might buy like another 1/10 of a share just to bring the average down. Telefonica is down 15%. I don't want to add any more to it. It's pretty much a hold. I am actively looking to sell half of it, so I'm waiting for it to go back into green, sell half of it and put the money elsewhere. Twitter and Uber are still doing all right. They're up 12% and 19% respectively. Walt Disney, I'd say, is a strong buy. It's down 9%. For me, anyway, in the last month, it is down 13%. So, yeah, I'm down 3.64% and I have 0.4 of a share. I'm looking to increase the position in this. So, yeah. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think. What stocks have impacted you the most? Also, if you like this video, like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow my investment journey and the channel itself. Thanks again for everyone who subscribed. We've exceeded 250 subscribers. I'm so hyped about that. So yeah, I guess the new target now is 300 subscribers. I do want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you could just give that video a little subscribe, I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.